So today we're going to talk about creating an agent using Algolia Agent Studio. And for that, we've created a very simple catalog of fashion data. If I was to come in here and type dresses and we go through, you're going to see that Algolia is returning dresses. But as we move into the new world of agentic AI, we need shopping assistants and agents that we can interact with in new and different ways. And Algolia recently released Agent Studio for this purpose. I can create an agent in just a few clicks. Let me go ahead and click Create Agent and Shopping Assistant, and I'm going to go ahead and press Create. By using our presets, I've already got most of what I need to create an assistant straight away. I just need to make a few tweaks. For example, I need to enter my brand, S&W. I need to tell it what language to reply in this case, English. I'm going to tell it a little bit more about my industry, so fashion. And I'm going to say, don't talk about, I don't know, some of my competitors, but I won't put any in for now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a few more clicks and then we'll be able to test it straight away. The first click is I'm going to connect it to my Algolia search index. So I just showed you that fashion catalog that I have. And I'm going to say a catalog of fashion items. And I'm going to fix that typo and press save. Now I'm going to go ahead and update my tool. So now my agent immediately has access to my search engine here. I'm then going to select my model. Algolia allows you to bring your own AI. So whether you use OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic, you can bring that along with you. And we have a number of providers that are supported. Here, I'm going to select my OpenAI key, hit confirm. So now I've collected my key, I'm able to select the model that I want. In this case, I'm going to select GPT 4.1 Nano. And now I'm ready to test. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to say, I'm looking for blue dresses. I press return. And when I press return, it's going to search Algolia and it's going to immediately find me some dresses to come back that might match what I want to do. So now I have updated my instructions, connected it to my Algolia index, created a model, and been able to test it directly in my toolkit. So let's go ahead and take the next step and put that on my website. I'm going to hit publish. And when I click publish, it's going to give me a warning. And when I publish here, I'm ready to go. So how do I integrate this on my website? Very simply, Algolia has provided an instant search plugin. I'll show you this in a second. All I need to do is copy my agent ID and go to my code base. When I'm in my code base, I need to add one React component from our instant search library called chat. And you can see I've imported it here. And then provide the agent ID that I need to connect to. Once that's done, I've got the UI. I've done no styling or anything. I've got the UI. And when I click on it, I have access to a chat window. And again, if I say, I'm looking for gray dresses and press return, I now have a chat experience on my website, which shows me the dresses in a carousel, gives me some more information, and I can click in and take that next step and I build that out. So we've gone through the Algolia index, we've connected it and created an agent in Algolia Agent Studio. We've used instant search to put that on the front end of our website here. So what happens next? Let's talk about the art of the possible. Here I'm on spencerwilliams.com/grocery. You can go and look at this yourself. And it's a grocery website designed for customers who are trying to buy their groceries online. Here's my assistant. If I go to the assistant and I say, what can I make for dinner tonight? For the first time, the agent is connecting to sources other than that one catalog. I obviously showed you it connecting to the items in the catalog. Here it's also connecting to a index of recipes. So here's some examples that say Greek salad. Of course, I can click in and see it, but I could also just add that directly to my shopping list. So if I say add my Greek salad ingredients to my list and press return, the assistant has access to all of that content and add it directly to my shopping list. So it's going through, pulling that information, adding it to my list. And when I go ahead and click show grocery list, here I am in a UI ready to execute against my shopping list. I can add new items, for example, milk, and then start clicking through and add them directly to cart. So I can add one of each of these directly to my cart, ready to check out. This is just one of the workflows that we can build with Agent Studio, but having a place where I can connect to not just Algolia, but anything with an MCP, that I can bring it all together and then with a simple few lines of code, add it to the front of my website, gives us the opportunity to build agentic experiences much quicker using Algolia.